Lakme Fashion Week FDCI 2024 is getting even more star-studded by the minute, with more A-listers from Bollywood taking over the ramp as showstoppers. On day 4 of the fashion extravaganza, ace designers Gauri and Nanika, Shantanu and Nikhil, Anushri Reddy, Siddharth Teitler, Ritika Meerchandani, and more wooed fashionistas with their latest collection with the help of some star power. Sara walked for designer Varun Chakkilam in a stunning silver lehenga adorned with a shimmery embroidered pattern. She won many hearts not only with her walk but also for proudly flaunting the scars on her belly. Shruti Hassan turned showstopper for label Shakshi Bhati in a floral lehenga from the designer's newest collection, Ember Glow. Sana Sheikh looked gorgeous in blue as she walked for Arvind Ampula. Malaika Arora made a fabulous entry as she walked the runway decked up in Anushri Reddy's impeccable creation. Her enchanting lehenga featured a pop of yellow color on the pastel bluish grey monotone fabric. Newlywed Rakul Preet Singh walked for designer Ritika Meerchandani in a thigh-high slit number, making quite a statement. Then came Taapsee Pannu straight out of her baddie era in a Gauri and Nanika creation. She wore a black fish cut dress with a matching cape. Actress Triptii Dimri turned showstopper for Shantanu and Nikhil in this glam dress complete with lace gloves. Well, day 4 tops our list so far. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments and do subscribe to Shosha for more on fashion and the runway.